Hello there. I wanted to go over a couple of tips and tricks that I've published in this week's blog, Tech Tips Girl website. So as you can see, I've got a visitor in the background, a cat, and I also am showing my Doctor Who lamp in the background, keeping it real and keeping it nerdy here with techtipsgirl.com. So what I would like to go over is a quick trick that called the Lindsey Poulter method. And if you aren't sure who Lindsey Poulter is, she is a 2019 Iron Viz finalist, and she was made famous by this because she did it on stage and people were like, wow. She has her own website here, and she has absolute stunning Tableau dashboards. So if you get a chance, try to check out her Tableau public profile and check out her webpage here. So what exactly is the Lindsey Poulter method? So as a Tableau developer, you may notice that you're going to have calculations that you use over and over and over again. And a best practice is to save them in a notepad document or a notepad++. So I tried doing this with a Word document, but the problem with Word, once you paste in a calculated field from Word to Tableau, is that the quotes won't match. So you'll have to delete double quotes or single quotes if they're pasted from Word, and it's just easier to use Notepad or Notepad++. So here's a document where I have a whole bunch of date calculated fields. So what you do is you can copy them. You could do a Control-A on your keyboard and copy them. And what you do in Tableau, and here I am connecting to Sample Superstore dataset, is click on Calculated Field here in the data pane, and I'm going to paste them in this blank calculated field. And all you do is you highlight it. Notice each one is separated by a / with notes here. So you take that, you highlight that note, and you highlight the calculated field, and then you just drag it right onto the data pane. And you see that Tableau automatically created as a calculated field. There was no need to keep opening create a calculated field for every single calculation. So I can go ahead and do it with the next one. So here's latest week, dragging it onto that pane. Latest month, I'm going to take that and drag it right onto that data pane. So this will save you a considerable amount of time by just doing this Lindsey Poulter method. And so the other tip and trick that I talk about in this week's blog is where to go if you aren't sure if you need a fake data set. So there is a real world fake data, or if you see the hashtag RWFD. So Mark Bradbourne, who was one of the judges for this year's TC24 Iron Viz, he has all of these data sets that he's mocked up that are fake that a lot of people use with that hashtag in Tableau Public. So this is a great data source a great source of data, I should say, to reach out to and download for your Tableau Public visualizations. So thank you so much for watching, and check out my blog if you want to see other steps, techtipsgirl.com. Thank you and have a great day.